the global issue now, when you look at foreign exchange, especially for Africa, it's just over the roof. A lot of these students, their parents are having to really struggle to be able to pay school fees. So when they get here, one of the things, if they're allowed to work on campus, that's one thing they need to pick up. But I also think there are innovative ways that you could do this. If you know some handiwork, then do it. If you know how to braid hair, braid hair. If you know how to sew, sew. So these are very important skills that some people look down on, but it might be what will really help a student when they come in an environment that they're trying to make money. Because if you're living in a residential place like a dormitory, people there need to have their hair done. And so if they go out and it costs them $50, well, you can do it for 20, 25. You will get clients. So there are so many various ways, I think, that they can help themselves if they have an open mind to the legitimacy of what they want to do, and not be ashamed of handiwork that they know. That would be I think it would be very helpful to them. But working on campus is number one, because then you don't need a transportation to go anywhere. You don't need to really go too far. You can go to work. We see them now, that happening right now. But also make sure you are within a community.
Of people who came before you.
Yes, who came before you that can advise you so you don't make the same mistakes. You need that community. You can't do it alone. So you need to understand where you are, the culture of where you are, how not to get in trouble when you don't mean to. Unintentionally, you can just get in trouble. So those are the things I would really advise.
Okay, thank you so much.